Over a journey of more than 40 years, Toyota has become an integral part of the lives of the people of Indonesia. Toyota Motor Manufacturing Indonesia, TMMIN, is a subsidiary of Toyota Motor Corporation, which is engaged in the automotive industry with a focus on manufacturing and export of vehicles, engines and other components. For more than 4 decades, we've grown together with the nation. Time and hard work has led us to many moments of inspiration and success, stories that are too valuable to be forgotten. We believe in consistency and determination to constantly improve ourselves. We strive to be a reflection of the spirit, pride and greatness of Indonesian society. In the spirit of Toyota Berbagi, we are committed to continue to build Indonesia's automotive industry and to improve the content of local components. We believe that by continuing to enhance the capabilities of our human resources and implementing modern production technology, the products we produce will be the pride of the Indonesian nation. The best quality products that are capable of performing to global standards. We also realize that our success cannot be separated from the continuous support and cooperation of the Indonesian people. Therefore, we strive to make a positive contribution to the lives and welfare of Indonesian society and environment through corporate socially responsible activities. To support the process of manufacturing and assembly of Toyota vehicles, we have 5 world-class factories located in North Jakarta and Karawang. Factories that are equipped with complete production facilities and the adoption of health, safety and environmental programs HSE, which are in accordance with the best engineering and safety practices worldwide. We have a commitment to become a green company with eco-friendly facilities based on the Toyota Environment Management System, EMS. We use the best practices in order to produce quality products consistently. The Toyota production system, which aims to ensure the efficiency and effectiveness of all production activities. In optimizing operational activities, we apply the principles of clean, bright, and comfort, CBC. We collaborate the principle with quality, flexibility, and integrity of all our human resources in order to produce the best quality products. We believe human resources are our most valuable company asset. Therefore, we strive to create an ideal environment for all, to encourage every employee to be able to achieve their best with a total commitment and strong work ethic.
We make people before we make product.
With the principle of we make people before we make the product, the TMMIN Learning Center assists in developing the quality of our human resources, optimizing each employee's potential, who in turn is capable of producing the best product for the company and the Indonesian nation. The Toyota Berbagi spirit is a reflection of the determination, hard work and commitment to our future together in building Indonesia.